Is RocketMoney worth it? Intro. So, you've heard about RocketMoney, the app that claims to save you money on bills and subscriptions. But is it really worth it? Let's dive in and find out. Hook. Imagine if someone handed you a stack of cash just for using an app. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's what RocketMoney promises. But before you download it, let's break down the hype and see if it's actually worth your time. What is RocketMoney? RocketMoney is a personal finance app that scans your bank and credit card accounts to identify potential savings. It does this by comparing your subscriptions and bills to similar offers from other providers. If it finds a better deal, it helps you switch. How does RocketMoney work? *1. Link your accounts. Connect your bank and credit card accounts to the RocketMoney app. *2. Scan for savings. The app will analyze your spending patterns and identify potential savings opportunities. 3. Switch to save. RocketMoney provides you with options to switch to cheaper providers or negotiate better deals. Key features of RocketMoney. Bill negotiation. RocketMoney can help you negotiate lower rates with your current providers. Subscription management. The app helps you identify unused or expensive subscriptions and cancel them. Credit monitoring. RocketMoney offers a basic credit monitoring service to help you stay on top of your financial health. Financial insights. The app provides insights into your spending habits and helps you track your progress towards financial goals. Pros and cons of RocketMoney. Pros. Potential for significant savings. Many users have reported saving hundreds of dollars per year using RocketMoney. Easy to use. The app is user-friendly and doesn't require any financial expertise. Free to use. RocketMoney is available for free. Cons. Limited savings potential. While RocketMoney can help you save money, the amount you save will depend on your spending habits and the deals available. Time-consuming. Switching providers or negotiating bills can be time-consuming. Not all savings are guaranteed. RocketMoney can't guarantee that you'll find a better deal for every bill or subscription. Is RocketMoney worth it? The answer to whether RocketMoney is worth it depends on your individual circumstances. If you're willing to put in the time to switch providers and negotiate bills, it could be a great way to save money. However, if you're not comfortable with these steps, it might not be worth the effort. Tips for getting the most out of RocketMoney. Be patient. It may take some time for RocketMoney to identify potential savings opportunities. Be persistent. Don't give up if you don't find a deal right away. Keep using the app and checking for new offers. Be willing to switch. RocketMoney is most effective if you're willing to switch providers to get a better deal. Use RocketMoney as a tool. Don't rely solely on RocketMoney for your financial management. Use it as a tool to supplement your own efforts. Conclusion. So, is RocketMoney worth it? The answer is, it depends. If you're willing to put in the time and effort, it could be a great way to save money on your bills and subscriptions. But if you're not comfortable with switching providers or negotiating bills, it might not be worth the hassle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.